Okay, it's now 12:33. We're in France. We had some crap coffee and the biggest panini ever, Chateau Cueras. Due to the fact that it took us 2 hours to do 16 k's to get up to Colle Del Agnello, and it's 12:30, and given that we're always going like cut snakes to go anywhere or do anything, we've decided that we'll eliminate the Izoard today. From here we're going over the Izoard by van.
How high was the Agnello?
2744. Giorgio, pensi che arriviamo a Sestriere per le 4? No.
Ma perché devi essere a Sestriere alle 4? Spiega.
Non so. Well, now that we've got the red light, I'm out of the van and we better get in there, but that castle's incredible. Look at it. Fantastic. Let's get on. That's the sort of scenery or view that you get around the Izoard. Quite a different type of rock, which is why it's weathered like that. Sorry about the movement. La Chalpe. Arvier was the original town the town we saw just a little bit further back. Non posso parlare ora, che c'è registra questa cosa. Ehi, guarda, Giorgia, l'albero. Si prende l'albero. Nice pine tree. Oh, there's someone there on the bike. That's the guy we passed. You can see the ski slopes over there. What a view, eh? Good, check this out. Oh, look, that's a town, or the road we came up. There's a couple of people. Ciclistilla. Oh, somebody just whizzed by with a bike that had some pretty nifty looking carbon wheels. The odour of pine. Giorgio, aspetta, qui. There's writing all over the road for Contador. And you can just see in between the trees there some of the magnificent sort of scenery that's up this way. Check the gradient out. Yeah. And there's Giorgio. We're on the Casse Desert, Colle della Platiere, 2,200 meters. A couple of riders there. Have a look at that up there, man, unreal. Check that out. And the rest of it. And there's Andrea. We've gone about 50 meters and Giorgio stopped again for more photos. He loves these photos, that guy, doesn't he? This is just phenomenal sight. I'm just hanging the thing outside the van. Here comes a couple of riders. There's Giorgio. We'll get these guys. Scott and Cannondale, yep. We're now at the top of the Izoard, that's the monument right there. And the old dude's got a pretty hot looking Ridley with cosmic wheels on it and everything. Not bad. But this is the view.
Ja, maar dat is moeilijk.